Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. Yes students, today we are going to do a topic analysis of the frequency distribution. See students, we have started a chapter dispersion and we have done various measures of finding out the scatteredness in the frequency distribution. Like we people have done mean deviation about the mean deviation about the median, standard deviation, variance. But when we are going to compare the data, compare the variability in the two data, we are going to face a problem as well. Like you people are having a data, and the data is the wages of the worker in a factory. The data is the wages of a worker in a factory, and you people very well know wages will be in the rupees. And suppose you people are having another set of the data, which is the height of the students in a school, and height of the students will be, जो height होगी students की वो आपकी सेंटीमीटर के अंदर होगी. So when we have found here mean deviation in both the cases, we have found mean deviation in both the cases, we have found variance in both the cases, and we have found standard deviation in both the cases. But then also we are unable to compare the data. Now why we are facing this problem? Why we are not able to compare the data? Because see students, when you people have found mean deviation, variance and the standard deviation of the wages of the workers of a particular factory, that mean deviation और जो standard deviation है और जो variance है वो exactly same units में ही आया होगा. In exactly same manner, जो height है, when you people found mean deviation, standard deviation and variance, then it will also come in the same units, that is centimeter. So both the data is having different units. So that is why it is impossible to compare these two data. So what we need to do for it? अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए इसके लिए? Thus we need to find out a measure which can offer the mean deviation or standard deviation या फिर ऐसा कुछ और measure which can offer us without units a final conclusion so that we can compare it, ताकि हम इसको compare कर पाए. ठीक है? So what is that? That is the coefficient of variation. What is that? That is the coefficient of variation. We will write it short form, that is CV. So students, what is the coefficient of variation? The measure of the variability which is independent of the units. It means एक ऐसा measure which will be able to tell us the variability between the distributions and that is also independent of the units. And वहां पर हमें ये units वाली problem भी face नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. So that is called the coefficient of variation. And how we'll find it? CV will be equal to standard deviation upon mean into 100. Suppose we have the two data set A and the data set B. So when they are having the same units, like जो आपके पास डाटा सेट A है, that is also in the rupees, और जो डाटा सेट B है, that is also in the rupees. So you people can easily compare with the help of the standard deviation. It means the data which is having the more standard deviation in comparison to other, that is having the more variability. But when you people are having the two different set of the data and both the sets are in the different units, then what you will do? First of all, people will find out their CVs and afterwards will compare. The higher the CV, higher the variations, and the lower the CV, the consistent data, that is fine. See students, here one example is given in which heights and the weights of the students, the two different data sets were taken and their mean were found out. And mean was 162.6 centimeter and 52.36 kilogram. And the variance and the standard deviation is also given. So now we are going to find out which data set is showing the greater variation. And as we are watching over here, both the data sets are in the different units. So what we will do to find out here? We will find out the coefficient of variation. That means we will find out their CVs. So if I am going to find out the CV of the first data set, that will be equal to CV is equal to coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon mean. That means 11.3 upon mean. Mean is 162.6 into 100. ये हमारा जो हाइट्स का डाटा गिवन था उसका सीवी आ गया. सो विच इज इक्वल टू, जो कि किसके इक्वल हो गया है आपका, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू, when you will solve it you will get something like 6.95. तो it means heights का CV आ गया है, that is 6.95. Suppose you are calculating the coefficient of variation in the weights. So CV of the weights will be equal to standard deviation, that is 4.81. So 4.81 upon mean. What is the mean over here? This is 52.36 into 100, and which is equal to 9.18 approx. So it means when we are going to find out the variability, that which data set is having more variability. As we can see here, CV of the weights is greater in comparison of CV of heights. So what we can say from here, that the weight is having more variability than the heights. So that is all. I hope it is clear to all.